What's up everybody? It's time that we start breaking down the front suspension. I've got the rear suspension all broken down, the subframe is out, everything is completely taken apart. I need to get that taken to get the welding done and then get the powder coating done and all that stuff. Now it's time to start digging in and breaking down this front. So we're going to get the caliper off, we're going to start breaking down this front knuckle. See if that works. Yeah, you can see that this tie rod is in pretty bad shape. Yeah, so we're going to get this all stripped down and cleaned up. Let's go. Alright, let's get this thing on here. I'm currently working on this lower control arm, which is right here. I've got it disassembled from the bottom ball joint, which is good. This ball joint is actually still good. It looks like that one has been replaced. This tie rod is completely shot. This is disassembled now, and so I'm working on freeing up the lower control arm here. I don't know if you can see that or not, it's hard to tell, but I'm working on freeing this up right now, and I'm gonna eventually get the rest of this knuckle and control arm completely disassembled so I can pull that out. Alright, this ball joint is completely dead. I mean, like, completely dead. Alright, there we go. Now we got it. Alright, let's see what we got. So I got the whole front suspension now taken out, other than that upper camber arm. I got the caliper hanging down here. It's actually resting on the ground, so this brake line doesn't have any tension on it. I've got the axle. I'm getting ready to pop that out. As a matter of fact, I just popped it out. Knuckles removed, the front upright, all that stuff is out now. I just used the Godzilla method to tap this axle out the easy way, using a long flathead and a hammer. So this is ready to come out now. The axle popped right out. That's awesome. It's leaking a little bit of fluid, but that's not too bad. I'll go ahead and clean that up with a rag. Yeah, there we go. Front right axle is out. Put this over here. I'll get that cleaned up in a second. Here's the front upright. I had to take this. I had to take the knuckle and the hub out together because the kingpin, I couldn't actually get this loose. As I was trying to break it free, it would just spin on here, so I ended up having to put a pry bar down through the hub to kind of hold it in place. Then I was able to break that nut free, so that actually worked out fine. Yeah, things are coming along now. There's still a lot to do, but we'll get to it here. I'm going to go break down the front left side now, since it's still all intact. Yeah, front left side still all intact. So I'll get this taken apart here shortly. Yeah, so once I get the rest of this left front suspension out, I'm going to then get everything taken over to the shop so I can get the rest of I'm going to get the hubs pressed out and get all that other stuff done so I can start cleaning and painting and powder coating and all that other good stuff. Alright, I have gotten things completely disassembled now. I got all the drive axles out now. I'm getting ready to take the diff, getting ready to take the subframe and these L brackets. These I'm actually going to refinish myself. I'm going to take these lower arms and get those done. I've been having a little bit of difficulty getting these out. I'm going to smack it a couple more times and see if I can get it loose, and if not, then I'll take it to the shop and get it pressed out. But front hubs are completely done now. I'm going to take these so I can get these things pressed out also. So once I get all the pieces powder coated and back, I'll be able to start reassembling everything and put the big brake kit on and all that good stuff, and this thing will look really, it'll be really nice, I think, at that point. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I'm going to start buttoning things up so I can take these pieces over to the powder coaters. I'm a mess. It's a little bit hot today, so I'm sweating. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.